Hello YouTube, this is DevFoyRBX, and in this tutorial, there's going to be a couple of them, I'm going to make a pet system, and I'm not going to do pet systems with egg capsules on the map. I'm going to do it like what this game did with the UI click, and it shows the eggs on the UI, and you can buy Robux or thingy, but yeah. If you just want to get the current progress, I think it'll just be the opening for this video. The link's in the description, you just take it. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and any suggestions, let me know in the comments, and let's get into it. So first of all, I need to make a frame, like a button and a frame to hold the eggs. So I'm going to do that first, then I will start the programming. Okay, so it's been a long time. A long time with UIs. I didn't realize it would be that long, but yeah. So this is what you got so far. Let me just rename this to template, and then chuck this in here and disable, and in here as well, because I will look through all the things in the table, eggs in the table, and it will spawn. So yeah, so first of all, what every gamer needs is a way to open and close the frame, so I will do that quickly. Yeah, so most people don't like putting scripts inside of the actual starter UI, but I'm gonna do it just for the tutorial purposes. I will never do it for an actual game, so I'm just putting that out there. So yeah, I'm gonna be using module scripts because you can get stuff easily without having useless remote events and stuff. I'm just gonna make the open and close script, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I've got the opening and closing working. Let me test it. Yep, that's working. I'm not going to do this button right now because I can do it near the end. So now we want to make this one. I want cut because you need to see the progress of it. So let's do it here. Just do helpful modules, and in here let's just put pet module. So what this will do, it will store everything you need. So you want to do pet modules to do this. So we want all the eggs and then put the pet inside of it. So what we're going to do here is pet modules dot eggs equals another table. So now you want, oh no, I done this wrong. Oh yeah, the egg name, so let's just put starter, and then in here you want like cost, just like 1 something, Robux egg, false means it's not a Robux egg, and currency cost, let's just put gem for now, because that's average in simulators. But now you want the pets, so now I do this. Why? Okay, I don't know that there. Now that, okay, so now you can do like dog. You can put stuff like what? Okay, let's just do like the pet name's right there. Let's do luck. It's 200. No, we want to split in. Okay, let me set this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we want 6 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6. Let's just do cat. Let's just do mouse, pig, chicken, bird. So now we need to do this. So let me just figure out what to do for this and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is done. I forgot to put the pet rarity there as well, but that's now done. So what you want to do now is just save this in case. Come on. Right. Now you want to, where did I put, oh yes, here. Egg opening. So here you want to get the info modules. So you want to do local replicated storage. Please put game get service replicated storage. Now you want helpful modules module folder thingy. So local helpful modules. Let's put replicated so it's right there. And then pet. Oh no, we need to get the thing first. Replicated storage, then helpful. Then here you want pet module equals require replicated helpful, and then pet module. So yep. Now that's how you get it. Now we want to spawn all the egg thingies right here. So what you want to do is you want to do self, and then let's do egg frame spawners, then function egg opening egg spawners, and this is where the main code will go. I'm going to cut because I'm trying to make the video not that long, and then I'll code it in. I might sometimes do this, sometimes just type and do this, but yeah, I won't be long. Okay, so I was just doing this and I remembered I forgot to, of course it's gonna be Roblox egg no matter what, so this should be removed, and where the cost is, let's do Roblox egg Roblox cost. That'd be much better. Yeah, I'll update you on the progress. Okay, so I've done the main parts. As you can see, I haven't detected buttons yet, but it shows the egg name and the costing and the Robux thingy, and the egg viewport might, I don't know what to do with that yet, but yeah, the egg things right there will be added. I'm just going to show you guys that it's generated by how many these are there. So as seen just now, there was one there. If I duplicate this and add it here, I missed a no, what did I do? Oh yeah, this. So now if I name this another egg, and if you see now there'll be 2 there, not 1. There we go, and that is what I forgot to change here. It needs to be layout order 1, because this needs to be below the starter one. And there we go. So now I need to duplicate the egg frames to show the percentage on the models. So yes, I'll update you guys when I've done that. Okay, so I've just finished the pet showing thingy, but not the viewport, as I'm going to do near the end of the video, as well as the lock opening, which will be a bit rusty because I'm going from the dev form. I don't know how to do it myself, but it's better than nothing. But for now, let me show you what is done. So it shows in order as well, as you can see right here, because it goes by this layout order. And for the eggs, starter, and yeah. So what we're gonna do now is the buttons, like there's buying gems and buying with Roblox. So I'm gonna do that now. I've said this multiple times. You need to plan stuff before talking, but oh well. I'll let you guys know the update when I get the buttons working. Okay, so I've just finished the buttons, and that's it. So it's loading's taken a while. Don't know why, but okay. Now it's loaded. So once we press this, fires your remote to open an egg, which is not made yet. So yeah. And now once we buy this, it should give us a prompt when we press it. We got an error. Oh yes, that's the issue. On here, the product ID is 0. So we'll have to have some product ID, and to do that, I think, is it, no, it's places. Where's the product IDs? Because I'm sure it moved. Nah, right, one sec. Oh look, it's on the website, so we go here. Let's name this starter egg. Let's make this like 10 Robux. And then here let's do another egg. Let's make this 50 Robux. So now what we're going to do is just change the IDs. And here again. Oh, I done the IDs wrong. Starter egg is this one. And then another egg is this one. And now it should actually prompt out the purchase once it loads. Yep. Roblox is really slow. Might have to end soon, guys. It's late, and yeah, I'll probably end after I do the choosing what pet. I won't do the actual opening animations. Might do that next episode video, wherever you call it. Yeah, why ain't this working? Let's try again. Is it gonna work? Okay. So now if we press these two, it works as normal. Once we do this, there we go. Starter egg, 10 Robux. And here, it will do another egg, 50 Robux. And now we have to change them to show the correct prices. So another egg costs 50 Robux, and starter egg costs 10 Robux, and then we try again. Don't take a long time to load. Come on. There we go. And now it shows 50 and 10, which is correct, as you can see. Now I'm going to do the server-sided, meaning choose what pet to open, choose not the egg opening lock and stuff, and give in the correct things. So yeah, I'll update you guys on the progress. Okay, so I got the randomization working. It's here. I know, it's... Yep. Let's test. Once it loads. Okay, so once we see in here now, we press that. We got a dog and there's the information. And we got another dog, and we got a mouse, which is 17% luck. I haven't done the Roblox purchase yet because I'm gonna do it now. So I'll keep updated once again. Okay, so I've done the Roblox purchases and let's see if it works. So we do this now, yeah. We got a mouse. Do this one. Another mouse. Dog, dog. More dogs, cat, cat, cat. Okay, so now we buy this. As you can see, that one is a pig. We press this, and we got a cat. And we do this one as well. And we got a dog. So yep, this is gonna be it for this video, because I haven't got time right now to do more stuff. So for the next episode, next video, yeah, I'm going to do the egg models and chuck some pets, take a import thingies, and probably the data store as well. So yeah, remember to like, to support. The model is in the model. The whole gameplay is uncopy locked. It's in the game. It's in the video description. And yeah, like, subscribe. I can't remember if I said this already, but yeah, peace.